Okay, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Azim Fakri bin Rahad Sebutin dan nama medik saya 13DDT22F1131. Okay, untuk kali ini kami akan membentangkan mini projek kami dan juga proposal untuk sistem kami iaitu Six Star Gaming System. Okay, untuk yang pertama adalah introduction. Okay, for introduction is welcome to the ultimate online gaming experience where innovation, excitement and connection converge in a vibrant digital world. Our online gaming system enhance the provision of the game to the general population of the player as well as satisfying the professional player, covering everything from action, strategy, adventure and co-op mode. Our platform provide the user with the interactive experience in the heart of stunning graphic and perfectly animated environment. Untuk problem statement, the growth of the online gaming industry has been on the rise since the future advanced and interactive player all over the world. Nevertheless, most contemporary gaming platform can be considered inadequate in offering necessary conditions that correspond to the requirement of contemporary consumer. Players face common frustration. Competition here is not properly matched due to poor matchmaking, limited interest in social component that prevent creation of community, and the absence of flexibility that otherwise allow user more freedom of customization. Also, a question of fair play, chasing after which cheating, lack of clear and obvious gameplay, together with inadequate security, can make the audience exposed and thereby motivate not to perform the utmost of one's abilities. Okay, for the objective of to develop this system is the first is deliver balanced gameplay. Smart matching also need to be applied so the player match into team with opponent of the league as they enhance player enjoyment when the satisfaction of the game. The second is ensuring fair play and security. Make strong measure against cheating of any form and keep the player information secure. Okay, the third is supporting player identify and progression. Provide for numerous to degree of freedom for developing unique character design and object, as well as the ability to set character and object code that will demonstrate player advance within the game. And the last is fostering social interaction. Establish strong social mechanic which include the ability to have chat of friend list and clashing system so as to make everyone feel that they belong to the game. Okay, the scope we have two scope which is user scope and the system scope. Okay, for the user scope we have three, and the first is player. Player can modify and maintain user account, thereby account information and privacy preference. Okay, for the admin, accept registration of new player and regulate user account permanent or temporary blockage of the player accounts. Okay, for the staff is support player who are facing problem that include technical that may hinder any player of the game or any issue related to the account. Okay, for the system scope, we have three also. The system scope describe the overall extent to what technically and functionally possible in the online gaming platform by identifying the part, activity and the function. Okay, for the first system scope, we have database administrator or DBAS. Control the collection of database where user information and the game statistic as well as other crucial information is stored and maintained the network database user that integrate and security in the addition to the performance. Okay, for the second is server administrator. Design and deploy game server database and relate architecture required in order to enhance the efficiency and uptime time. And the third is security analyst. Integrate security testing mechanism to identify a possible threats of security. For example, unauthorized access and suspicious behavior as well as user behavior profiling, and lastly design and execute potential plan to control security breach of vulnerabilities. Okay, for the project significant, player can access game from various devices, like which is PCs, console, mobile device, and location will allow for flexibility and convenience. May interact with friends and with other players from different parts of the world, which good for creating more cooperative, and provide platform for competitive gaming, including tournament and allowing skilled players to showcase their talent and recognition. Make game free to play with the possibility to purchase extra content, make a player subscribe with the extra investment. For the conclusion, the purpose online gaming system can be characterized as innovation and relative young segment of the internet environment, which has a powerful potential and provide numerous advantage for player, game creator, and the general public. Accessibility, various type of the game to play, and social contact made the online gaming platform to change the way people play in the game and how they communicate.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Ashraf bin Kamrul Zaman. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan tentang introduction untuk literature review. Yang pertama sekali, introduction. In an era where digital entertainment thrive, the demand for accessible, secure, and feature-rich gaming platform has never been higher. Inspired by successful platform like Steam, our proposed online gaming system is designed to elevate the gaming experience by offering the centralized hub. Ianya diinspirasikan oleh platform yang berjaya seperti Steam, sistem permainan dalam talian yang kami mencadangkan mereka untuk meningkatkan pengalaman permainan dengan menawarkan hub berpusat di mana pengguna boleh menemui, membeli dan bermain permainan, berhubung dengan rakan permain dan menjejaki pencapaian permainan mereka. Yang seterusnya, kami memilih Epic Game Launcher sebagai rujukan kerana ia sejajar rapat dengan matlamat untuk sistem kami sendiri yang kami bangunkan untuk Sistar Online Gaming. Epic Game Launcher yang direka khusus untuk player, developer dalam menyediakan alatan untuk membeli, mengurus dan bermain permainan serta untuk menjejak kemaskini dan pemberitahuan. Seterusnya, untuk advantage for the Epic Game Launcher, convenient access to game, community and social features, automatic update and patches, secure payment and account management, and cloud safe and cross-platform compatibility. For the disadvantage, limited community features, slow and inefficient update process, lack of in-depth game library organization, and high CPU and RAM usage. After that, we chose the System Store as our reference. This app provides game library management and user interface features in a streamlined, accessible way. Kami menginspirasikan interface Steam Store juga kerana aplikasi ini menyediakan pengurusan permainan dan ciri antarmuka pengguna yang sangat kemas dan boleh diakses. Seterusnya, untuk advantage Steam Store, automatic update, community features, cloud saving and cross-platform play, promotion and seasonal sales, and in-depth game review recommendation. For the disadvantage, high system resource usage, internet dependency, data privacy and security concern, complicated refund process, and content oversaturation. For the order interface, we chose the system store because the system store was created in and designed as a centralized platform for users to manage, purchase, and access digital game and content. The figure above shows the main login page required before accessing the full range of features. Kami memilih System Store sebagai rujukan untuk Sistar online gaming kerana ia berfungsi objektif yang sama untuk mencipta sistem permainan mesra pengguna bersatu yang tersedia pada platform mudah alih dan web. For the advantage, the System Store provides a streamlined web and mobile interface, offering an integrated platform for digital game management with a user-friendly experience across both formats. It supports both online and offline mode, allowing users to access their game library and continue playing even without an internet connection. For the comparison, Epic Game Launcher and Steam Store have a quite common similarity. For the mobile app and online application manage stock, have page, user friendly and interface. For the conclusion, the System Store and Epic Game Launcher serve as prominent digital distribution platform for gamers, each with unique features and offering. Steam, established as a leader in the industry, extensive library of game, robust community features, and a proven track record for user engagement. For the methodology, we use a waterfall model of LDLC, requirements definition, software and system design, implementation and unit testing, integration and system testing, and after that, operation and maintenance.
Okay, next is project methodology. In project methodology, we have planning phase and analysis phase. Okay, for the planning phase, we have the main objective of the waterfall method is to gather and make clear all the requirements upfront to prevent the development from going downhill without possibility of making change. For the analysis phase is a waterfall analysis, complex economic return modeling method show how exit revenues are distributed to a company many stakeholders. Waterfall analysis display the sequential breakdown of starting value to a final result by demonstrating intermediate value and leakage point in the process. Okay, for the business can use this monitor data at every stage of the process. Okay, for the most popular and commonly used tool to data analysis is ERD, entity relation diagram. Second is CD, context diagram, and the last is DFD, data flow diagram. Okay, we have figure 3.1 context diagram. for the example, and also figure 3.2 for DFD context, DFD level 1 for the example. Okay, for design phase is the main objective of this phase is to design the new system with the SIGSTA gaming system. The design phase of the waterfall process is best broken up to the two subphases, logical design and physical design. Logical design is surface is most possibility for solution are brainstorm and theorize. The physical design is surface is when those theoretical idea and scheme are made into concrete specification. Okay, for the first one is user interface design, UI. The interface design format created for the SIGSTA gaming system for the administrator was created simple and easy to use because the users seem to have little or no prior knowledge of using the system for the first time. Okay, for the second is database and design model. Having gone through the system architecture of SIGSTA gaming system and the database recognized to be MySQL flowchart, it is made to represent entity relationship diagram (ERD) to illustrate the flow of the system. Okay, for the implementation with the input from the system design, the system is the first development. The system is developed in small program called unit, which are integrated in the next phase. For the operation and maintenance, there are some issues which come up in the client environment. To fix the issue, patch are released. Also to enhance the product, some better versions are released. Maintenance is done to deliver this change in the customer environment. For the conclusion for this SDLC waterfall model, the waterfall model is one of the first model introduced in software development, and it has gained popularity because it clearly defines each step with logical flow of information. It enables developer to know about the requirement in the early stage, which guide them through the development process. That's all.
Okey, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Azmi Fakri bin Anwar Azizuddin. Nombor matrik saya 13TD22F1131. Okey, untuk hari ini kami akan membentangkan tentang topik 2 kami. Dan nama sistem kami adalah SIGSTA Gaming System. Okey, untuk gambar yang pertama dan untuk interface yang pertama ini adalah interface untuk permulaan dan mempunyai tiga akses, iaitu akses untuk customer atau player, dan kedua akses untuk staff, dan ketiga akses untuk admin. Okay, untuk customer harus pergi ke akses player, dan untuk staff pergi ke akses staff, dan kalau admin kena tekan dekat akses admin. Okay, untuk seterusnya adalah yang pertama sekali iaitu customer section. Okay, ini adalah untuk interface yang pertama, iaitu tempat login page untuk customer. Dan di sini boleh untuk sign in, customer untuk sign in, dan juga boleh untuk customer yang baru ingin menggunakan, boleh untuk create account dan mempunyai email atau username, boleh masukkan di situ, dan juga password customer. Dan seterusnya boleh tekan login untuk pergi ke seterusnya, dan juga tak lupa kalau customer lupa password, boleh tekan dekat forgot password. Okay, untuk seterusnya adalah kategori setiap game. Okay, untuk kategori game kami mempunyai 6, iaitu shooting, racing, action, horror, fighting dan sport. Okay, di sini kita bagi pilihan atau suggestion untuk customer pilih apa kategori game yang mereka inginkan, yang diorang ingin mainkan nanti. Lepas tu dan juga kalau customer tidak mahu pilih lagi, macam tak ada pilihan lagi, boleh tekan not now di atas kanan ni. Okay, untuk seterusnya adalah section terakhir untuk customer. adalah ini adalah tempat game untuk customer boleh pilih, dan kami mempunyai pelbagai games, pelbagai kategori, uh, dan juga di atas kanan adalah user profile, dan di sebelah kiri adalah kad detik untuk membayar, dan kami mempunyai pelbagai pilihan kad debit dan kad kredit, dan juga kami mempunyai selain pada kad kredit, kami juga mempunyai Touch and Go dan Apple Pay untuk membayar. Okay, untuk kita lihat di atas sebelah kiri, mempunyai view, friend, help dengan about us. Okay, view tu untuk kita lihat news dan sebagainya, dan friend adalah untuk kita tengok kawan-kawan kita yang ada yang online atau offline, dan help tu untuk bantu customer untuk menyelesaikan masalah diorang dekat sini, untuk memudahkan diorang, dan about us tu adalah introduction untuk kami, untuk sistem kami. Gitu je.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Ashraf bin Kamaruzaman, nombor metrik 13 DDT 22F1180, dan seterusnya saya akan membentangkan tentang interface staff section. Untuk interface ini, staff perlu memasukkan username dan password untuk mengakses staff dashboard ataupun staff access. Dan seterusnya, ini adalah paparan untuk staff dashboard, dan di sini staff dapat untuk generate report, view player statistik, add game, update game, delete game, update player statistik, dan button logout. Dan seterusnya, ini adalah login untuk admin, dan admin perlu memasukkan username dan password yang telah dibuat, dan sekiranya admin terlupa password, admin dapat mempunyai satu features iaitu reset password. Dan ini adalah interface untuk admin, dan di sini admin dapat monitor error dan bug report. Admin juga dapat melihat server connection monitoring, dan admin dapat mengetahui jenis-jenis error ataupun type of error. Admin juga dapat melihat player statistik dan online or offline players di paparan ini, dan admin juga dapat mempunyai satu features iaitu button logout.